Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Abby, a full-time surf traveler. If you are tired of expensive roaming charges, slow data, or the complication of figuring out a SIM when you arrive somewhere, I've got you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best eSIM options that there are available. Currently, SIM Local is my favorite, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. I have tested a bunch of eSIMs, and I'm going to tell you exactly why I think SIM Local is the best eSIM for you to choose. What is an eSIM? So an eSIM is a digital SIM that you don't have to physically put in your phone that allows you to connect to different networks all over the world. It is super handy for travelers. No more landing in a foreign country, having to hunt down and find the best data plan for your phone. Here is why SIM Local is better than all the other competitors. With SIM Local, you get the best quality compared to everyone else. Now, why is SIM Local one of the best eSIMs that you can get? It is because they have the best network quality. They partner with the top networks in the area. You also get real unlimited data. You get up to 10 gigs per day of full speed data. That is more than enough for streaming, for Netflix, and everyday use. Not just network, but all of their plans include SMS, include calling, so you are actually fully connected no matter where you go. While most other eSIM providers only actually provide you data. The pricing is super affordable. Compared to all the other competitors, their prices start at only $1 per gig. With all of their plans that you purchase, you can hotspot and tether your internet. It is super easy to use. You can use the Find My Plan tool. Another thing that I really love about SIM Local is that it is 100% refundable, no questions asked. They even have 24/7 customer support. So no matter where you are in the world, you can always contact somebody. Their customer support is through WhatsApp, through email, which is a huge plus for travelers like me who are constantly on the go. And if you don't believe me, they already have 5-star reviews on Google and Trustpilot. That gave me the extra confidence before I even tried it. So if you want strong coverage, fast speed, local calling, text and data, and affordable pricing, SIM Local is the way to go. It is honestly the best eSIM that is out there on the market. I have personally used it across many different countries, and I have found it to be the most reliable eSIM. Are you ready to try it out? You can use my discount code ABBYTRAVELIN for a special price. I will also leave the link down below. That way you can grab it easily and you too can stay connected wherever you go. Are you ready to try it out? You can use my promo code ABBYTRAVELIN for a special discount. I'm also going to link it down below. That way it's easier for you to grab and you too can stay connected wherever you go. It also helps me out if you use my referral link. Safe travels and see you out there in the world. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this.